are back and we are here with Andrew with his VMP ODIN supercharged 19 GT. He caught a couple videos back. He did some street pulls to get it dialed in for Daryl.
So scared.
But anyway, guys, I'll put a card up right there for that. But we are here at Horsepower Factory and we are strapping it down to the dyno, going to get a few pulls to see what it does on the dyno. This is a Mustang dyno, but nonetheless, we are going to see what it puts down on the dyno today. So right now, pause the video, go down below, comment what you think it's going to put down, and then watch the rest of the video and see how close you were. All right, guys, let's get to it. Guys, look at this thing put down on a Mustang dyno. 867 horsepower. 638 torque. First pull. Look at that. She is happy as can be, man.
You know it's about horsepower.
Yeah, it's still making power when you let out. What do you let out at? 75? 7,500 RPM, 867 horsepower. It was still making power and climbing.
Did I say that was insane?
We ran at 7,800. We made 914.
That is insane.
914.
Yep. You did it.
Yep. Man. Woo.
That's crazy.
Dude, 914. And this is a Mustang dyno, so they say they're the heartbreakers, so man, extremely happy with this car. This thing is tuned by Wengerd Performance. I'll throw all of his information down in the description. He does do remote tuning, and this car was extremely happy. It was on pump E85. This is the dyno that we will be using for takeover on May 7th, Friday, starting early Friday morning on May 7th. We'll be here. We're going to have a shootout. We got 5 NA cars and 5 boosted cars. Going to do a horsepower shootout on the dyno here at Horsepower Factory. Going to have a food truck out here, so if you're coming to Ford Takeover, make plans to be here Friday morning. Go to Foxcast Media's website, down in the description. All the details for that event will be down there. So guys, looking forward to see you there. All right, guys, so we've got it off the dyno. It made 914 on a Mustang dyno, so take it what you will. What do you think it would make on like a dyno jet?
I have no idea.
No idea.
10 to 12%. So add that, and it's over 1,000.
Yeah. I mean, 10% would be 90 horsepower on the 900, so it'd be 1,000. 1,004.
Well, who knows, guys? But anyway, what I'm interested in is what this thing's going to do on the drag strip. So when we headed to the drag strip?
Next week.
Next week? Yeah. I'm holding you to that.
We got to put axles in.
Holding you to that. But guys, you can check out Horsepower Factory here in Wengerd, Tennessee. I will put all the information down in the description. If you're in the area, stop by, put your car on the dyno. Also, you do a lot of LS builds and stuff like that also. So as you can see, Chevy. And nothing wrong with that, guys. I love them all. But anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. All right, guys, we are back, and we are here at Horsepower Factory. We are on fifth. We are strapping. He did this. He did some street pulls on the street to get everything dialed in with Daryl.
Wanting more food?
That too. They already know that. I mean, hey, if they watch the in-car footage, I mean, they know that I like to eat.